Hey, girl, bestie. I'm at 7-Eleven right now. Stop. They have a Lonnie new, and it's 2 for $5.
It's expired.
I want to speak to your supervisor.
It's expired.
Let me speak to your manager.
Can I help you?
Look at my coupon. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my coupon.
It's expired.